ObjectSecurity OpenPMF 4.0. Maximum security, minimum effort. Cybersecurity is often not good enough today. Hackers can enter your organization through less protected systems and then move on to more valuable assets. There's too much access granted, too little access control, and there are too many alerts to manage. But it's hard to do it better. Security needs to be manageable, but in order to simplify it, it often gets ineffective. To really move the needle to more effective cybersecurity often makes it too hard to manage. What you really want is the best of both worlds. Powerful security policy implementation that's also effortless to manage. And that's what ObjectSecurity OpenPMF 4.0 is all about. It stops security breaches with powerful security enforcement. In a nutshell, OpenPMF lets you author intuitive security policies, and by importing and analyzing information about your IT and organization, OpenPMF automatically generates the matching enforceable technical rules and configurations. Maximum security, minimum effort. So let's look at OpenPMF 4.0 in action. All policy components are flexibly user configurable right from the user interface. Right from the user interface, you can import information about your organization for OpenPMF security policy automation. Many importers are already available, and it is possible to customize further imports for your IT landscape. The imported content is automatically aggregated and analyzed by OpenPMF. You can flexibly configure which parts of the data you want to use for your policies. For example, security relevant information flows. In this example, a 15-node interconnected application runs on our demo Raspberry Pi cluster. Your selection of the imported data can be conveniently visualized. Now we're ready to author our policies, either in the graphical policy editor or in a natural language text editor. Authoring policies is easy. The editor automatically provides text blocks and checks whether your policy is correct. All you have to do is click together intuitive English language sentences. If you want, you can fine-tune the policy further in the graphical editor. Now you can automatically calculate the corresponding detailed technically enforceable policies using OpenPMF security policy automation. You can easily spot problems that OpenPMF detected in your policies. OpenPMF automatically generates a number of reports for you, including natural language policy reports of the policy that you authored and the policy that was generated. OpenPMF also generates a detailed compliance report. In addition, security policy configurations for networks, systems, and applications are automatically generated. You can easily download all generated files in a zip file. Based on the installed importers, there are many files, including security configurations for firewalls, operating systems, middleware, applications, and so on. You can deploy those directly in your IT environments to enforce the policy. In OpenPMF, the generated technical policies are managed independently of any product-specific syntax to support rapid export or customization. In this example, OpenPMF 4.0 generated 42 technically enforceable policy rules from 3 authored policy rules and the imported data. OpenPMF can also automatically test if your policies meet certain properties, which you can intuitively author, for example, in the natural language editor shown here. OpenPMF uses security policy automation and formal model checking to automatically prove or disprove your testing properties. The test results can be intuitively verified in the graphical test policy editor where ticks and crosses indicate the test results. Here you can see how OpenPMF automatically calculated many technically testable properties from the authored test properties. Each generated technical test property is automatically tested, and the result is shown here. The detailed formal proofs are also available. Now it's time to make the policy happen. OpenPMF gives you easy to use, consistent, effective push-button deployment across your IT infrastructure. ObjectSecurity OpenPMF 4.0. Maximum security, minimum effort.